Welcome back to Delph Stack. Today, I will show you how to fix voice chat problems in Arc Raiders. First, we need to check your Windows microphone permissions. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Microphone. Make sure the option that lets desktop apps access your microphone is turned on. Without this, your game cannot use your mic. Next, we need to check the default device settings. Right-click the sound icon in your taskbar and open Sound Settings. Find your microphone in the list, click it, and make sure it is set as the default device. This ensures that the system and your game use the correct microphone. Now we move to the game itself. Open Arc Raiders and go to the Settings menu. Select the Audio tab. Make sure that voice chat is enabled. Also, check the party and proximity chat settings. Sometimes these are muted by default, so you need to make sure they are not set to mute. Adjust them if needed. These steps cover the most common causes of microphone issues in Arc Raiders. Thanks for watching.